Can we install Peacock TV app on Android? Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn if we can download Peacock TV app on Android or not. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open Google Play Store app once you unlock your Android device. And then tap on the search icon at bottom right corner. Tap search bar at top of your screen. Now you need to type in Peacock TV. And tap on the search icon on your keyboard. And at the top, you can see that this app is not available on Google Play Store in my region. But if you get the official Peacock TV app, there you will see install button. You need to select that and then wait for the installation. Once installed, you can easily launch the app and sign in or sign up into it and browse through movies, TV shows, and live events. But in case if this is not available in your region like mine, then you need to know that Peacock TV is currently available to stream only within the United States and certain US territories. Therefore, accessing TV directly from our country is not officially supported. Alternatively, you can easily choose a reliable VPN that offers service in the US. You can download the VPN app on your device, connect to a US server to obtain a US IP address, and visit the Peacock TV website or use the app and sign up or log in to start streaming. So, I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.